Hey, how you going? My name's Edan, and today we're going to take a look at the FEMAC T5 105. This is a mulcher suited for your 3.5 tonne machine. Ideally, it weighs 190 kilos and only requires about 40 litres of oil a minute. So this is a great option for many operators of your smaller size machines. A couple things that differentiate this mulcher from the rest of the FEMAC lineup is its single-sided design. You've got protective chains on the front to prevent debris coming out, and you've got a rear roller, which when working on flat surfaces gives you a nice level cut. As you can see, the hydraulics are all shielded nicely behind this bit of steel. You've got a Cassapa brand hydraulic motor, excellent Italian make, and a valve block which requires only 2 hoses, so your machine does not need a case drain. The hammers on this one are good for about 50mm cut, which we'll show you now. So just taking a look at underneath the unit, you've got your rear rubber here, which contains debris. So you've got a lot of containment here. Debris is not flying everywhere when you're using it. You've got the roller, which is height adjustable. So you can bring this up or down to make your level cut at a different height. You'll also notice that there's bolt-on skids, which are easily replaceable once they wear down. And you'll notice that when you come up to these hammers, this whole rotor is perfectly balanced. Little weights are welded along the length. So when we spin this up in a second, you'll see super smooth operation. Fantastic Italian quality. Let's take a look at that now, I guess. As you can see, the conditions here are quite rough. Rocks, thick branches, and all sorts just hidden amongst all this fireweed. And yet you can see the T5 is performing fantastically when paired with this VO35 Yanmar. So after about half an hour's use, you can see the condition of the teeth is still fantastic. The paint's still on them. It goes to show that this is well put together, and it's gonna last you. It's nice quality. So if you'd like to learn more about this one, get in touch with Delta Equipment today and we'll gladly answer any questions you have. Thank you.